My name is Babak Eslami. I'm assistant professor in mechanical engineering department. I teach mostly undergraduate mechanical engineering courses, are mainly about material selection in design and manufacturing field, where students learn on how to select different materials for their designs, for the system that they're designing and building. Currently, we are working in additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing. There is a PA Manufacturing Innovation Fund that is running in our lab, working with an industrial partner to enhance the design of a 3D printer that is being built in the state of Pennsylvania. Research activities are heavily dependent on not only graduate students, but also undergraduate. I have the opportunity to work with the students in my research lab shoulder by shoulder. The curriculum in engineering built around hands-on experience. We make sure students walk out of our program knowing how to apply that knowledge and solve actual engineering problems. Not only teaching them, but also learning from them. My advice to inspiring engineers is learn how to learn. As long as we know how to do that, any new challenge can be resolved.